Good day everyone, especially to you ma'am. I am Raisa Abdullah. So I discuss my topic is all about accounting and legal requirements. So bookkeeping is indeed a form of record keeping that involves the systematic recording, organizing, and storing of financial and transaction information. It is an essential part of the broader accounting process. Accounting, on the other hand, is an information system that encompasses a range of activities, including bookkeeping that measures, processes, and communicates financial information about a specific entity. The main goal of accounting is to provide accurate and reliable financial information that can be used by individuals and organizations to make informed economic decisions. The steps in accounting process are: number 1, analyzing, is looking over transaction entered into economic events that have taken place and determining their effects on the business. Number 2, recording, involves the effects of transaction and events that have been analyzed. 3, classifying, is the sorting of grouping of like transaction and events, specific account titles. Summarizing is the process that involves grouping together the various accounting referred to in the classifying process. Reporting involves the preparation of financial summaries called financial statement. 6, interpreting, involves the computation of the study of relationship of figures from the financial reports. There are 3 basic financial reports. So, number 1 is the balance sheet. Ang balance sheet ay isang financial statements na nagbibigay ng snapshot ng financial na posisyon ng kumpanya sa isang particular na punto ng oras. Pinapakita nito ang mga asset, pananagutan at equity ng mga shareholder o equity ng mga may-ari na kilala rin bilang bahagi ng mga may-ari sa negosyo. Kinakatawan ng mga asset kung ano ang pagmamay-ari o kontrol ng kumpanya at maaring kabilangan ng mga bagay tulad ng cash, mga account receivable, inventaryo, ari-arian at kagamitan. Number 2, the income statement na kilala rin bilang ibang profit and loss statement o PL statement ay isang financial statement na nagbubuod sa mga kita, gasto, natamo at pagkalugi ng kumpanya sa isang particular na yugto ng panahon. Nagbibigay ito ng mahahalagang insight sa financial na pagganap ng kumpanya sa panahong iyon. The income statement start with the company's sales or service income, which represent the total revenue generated from the sales of goods or services. This includes revenue from the company's primary operations. Next, the income statement deduct the cost of goods sold, COGS, or the cost of services provided. They include the direct costs associated with producing goods or delivering services such as raw materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. After deducting the COGS, the income statement lists the company's operating expenses. These expenses include items like salaries and wages, rent, utilities, marketing expenses, and other costs incurred the day-to-day operation of the business. The cash flow statement is financial statement that show the inflows and outflows of cash during specific period of time. It provides insight into where the cash came from, cash inflows, and where the cash went to cash outflow within the business. Assets are resources that a business owns. They can include things like cash on hand, cash in the bank, accounts receivable, money owed to the business by customers, notes receivable, promissory notes from the customer, inventories, product or materials held for sale, Unused supplies, prepayments, payments made in advance for goods or services, land, building, and equipment. Liabilities, on the other hand, are amounts owed by the business to third parties. This can include accounts payable, money owed to supplier or vendors, notes payables, promissory notes to be paid back, expenses payable, unpaid bills for expenses incurred, and mortgage payable amount owed mortgage. An owner's equity represents the share of the business that belongs to the owners. It includes the owner's investment in the business as well as any profits of losses accumulated over time and any withdrawals made by the owners.